Zubenesha-what? Zubenelge-who? Welcome to Stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory, and we're here to help you. Be sure you know what you're seeing in the night sky when you look up.
Once again, my friends, it's Zubenesha-Molly and Zubenelgenubi time.
So loosen up your tongue and fasten your cosmic seatbelts.
Because this year, they're joined by two bright planets. So let's go outside and find them.
Okay, we've got our skies set up for any night during the next couple of weeks, just after it gets dark out. And if you look south, you'll see a giant fishhook-shaped constellation of Scorpius the Scorpion, followed by the teapot-shaped portion of Sagittarius. But up and to the right of the fishhook of Scorpius, you'll see two semi-bright stars with some of the strangest sounding names in the heavens, Zubenesha-Molly and Zubenelgenubi.
Now in Arabic, Zubenesha-Molly means the northern claw, while Zubenelgenubi means the southern claw. And about 3,000 years ago, they were the claws of the scorpion. But then Julius Caesar and his cronies came along and lopped them off and renamed them Libra the Scales for the symbol of Roman justice. Which I'm sure led many an ancient stargazer to mutter, "There ought to be a law."
At any rate, these two stars are wonderful, and although they appear visually to be the same brightness from Earth, actually they are very, very different. For instance, Zubenelgenubi is about 65 light years away from our planet Earth and shines 25 times brighter than our own sun, and is approaching us at the incredible speed of 6 miles per second. And upon closer examination, we also find that Zubenelgenubi is not just one, not even two, but 3 stars, 2 of them so close together that they orbit each other once every 20 days.
On the other hand, Zubenesha-Molly, the northern claw, is over twice as far away as Zubenelgenubi, being 140 light years distant. And although it appears the same brightness as its claw companion, it isn't. For it is 6 times brighter than Zubenelgenubi, which means that it's over 150 times brighter than our sun. And it's speeding toward us 4 times faster than Zubenelgenubi at a rate of 21 miles per second. Furthermore, Zubenesha-Molly is also at the center of a centuries-old debate. You see, over 2,000 years ago, it was listed as the brightest of all the stars of the Scorpion, even brighter than Antares. A few centuries later, however, the great astronomer Ptolemy described Antares as equal to Zubenesha-Molly in brightness. But today, Antares appears 5 times brighter. Has Zubenesha-Molly dimmed over the past 2,000 years? Or, conversely, has Antares gotten much, much brighter? At any rate, it's always fun to try to pronounce these two tongue twisters of summer.
Absolutely. Now let's see what the planets are doing this week. Okay, we have our skies set for just after sunset this week, and you're going to have a great opportunity to watch the planet Mars wander closer and closer to the ring planet Saturn and the stars of Scorpius the Scorpion.
But wait, there's more. On the night of August 11th, a waxing gibbous moon will cozy up with Mars, Saturn, and Antares to form a cosmic quadrilateral that you won't soon forget. Here's where Mars will be starting on July the 24th. Then we jump ahead 1 week at a time to July 31st, then August 7th when Mars passes right below the star Dashuba, and then August 11th when the moon joins the party.
And if you haven't had a chance to look at Saturn recently, this month is a great time to find it because it will be right next to the star Antares, the rival of Mars. Speaking of which, check out the location of Mars on August 25th this year.
Hey, that's my birthday! And Mars is right next to Antares. Woohoo!
Happy birthday, James. Now, don't get too carried away. Save your sweet moves for next month.
Alrighty. We'll talk more about planetary conjunctions and all sorts of other fun things in August. But in the meantime, get outside and watch the Wanderers do what they do best.
And don't forget to do some Zubenesha-Mollying and Zubenelgenubiing while you're at it.
It's easy to do if you remember to keep looking up.